What's good, everybody? This is Charles the Creator, and as you can see, this is my first video ever on YouTube displaying my art. And I've really been getting into the Mandalorian series lately, and I think one of the coolest characters on there is Grogu. So I just decided to not really just give a tutorial, but just basically just showing a rundown of how I do everything when it comes to graphic art. I recently got off into scribble art is what they call it so far, but yeah, scribble art is something that I find that I can really express myself in, and it's something that's still new, so I'm still improving on it. So I just hope y'all sit back, enjoy the music, and like and subscribe. I should have more videos coming soon, so y'all definitely don't want to miss it. Like and subscribe, comment in the comment section below, and let me know what else y'all want to see me work on. And please don't forget to hit that like button. Any support to the page definitely helps. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm on Instagram at Charles the Creator. So it's Charles the CRE8R.